Changing your username on Microsoft Teams can help you maintain your professional identity. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams. Launch the Microsoft Teams application on your computer or mobile device. Ensure you are logged in with the account you want to change the username for. Step 2. Access Settings. Click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the Teams interface. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to Account. In the Settings menu, look for the Account section. This is where you can manage your account details, including your username. Step 4. Edit Username. Find the option to edit your username. Click on the edit icon or link next to your current username. Enter your desired new username in the provided field. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button or similar option and click it to confirm your new username. Once you have completed these steps, your username on Microsoft Teams will be updated. Remember that it may take some time for the changes to reflect across all devices.